If you can answer at least 20 out of 30 in this general knowledge quiz, you are a genius. Let's begin. Question 1. How many seconds are in exactly 5 minutes? Option B, 300. Question 2. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Option B, barometer. Question 3. How many centimeters make up 1 kilometer? Option C, 100,000. Question 4. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? Option B, 100 degrees Celsius. Question 5. How many days are in a leap year? Option C, 366. Question 6. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Option B, Mars. Question 7. How many sides does a standard stop sign have? Option C, 8. Question 8. What tool is used to measure an angle? Option C, protractor. Question 9. How many grams are in 2 kilograms? Option B, 2,000. Question 10. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? Option B, Africa. Question 11. How many years are in a millennium? Option C, 1,000. Question 12. What is the primary gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Option C, nitrogen. Question 13. How many fluid ounces are in 1 cup? Option B, 8. Question 14. Which instrument is used to see distant stars? Option C, telescope. Question 15. What is the closest star to Earth? Option C, the Sun. Question 16. How many items are in a baker's dozen? Option C, 13. Question 17. Which country has the largest land area? Option D, Russia. Question 18. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? Option C, 32 degrees. Question 19. How many millimeters are in 1 meter? Option C, 1000. Question 20. Which month has the fewest days? Option B, February. Question 21. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Option C, diamond. Question 22. How many degrees are in a right angle? Option B, 90. Question 23. Which tool is used to measure wind speed? Option C, anemometer. Question 24. How many continents are there on Earth? Option C, 7. Question 25. What is the Roman numeral for 50? Option A, L. Question 26. How many teaspoons are in 1 tablespoon? Option B, 3. Question 27. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Option D, Pacific. Question 28. What is the center of an atom called? Option C, nucleus. Question 29. How many pounds are in 1 stone? Option C, 14. Question 30. Which device converts sunlight into electricity? Option C, solar cell. Out of 30, how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun quizzes.